Let's welcome अनीका जुल्फिकार। मुझे खाना चाहिए
अभी इसी वक्त में। I'm so sorry।
ये मेरा पेट मुझे बोल रहा है।
मैं नहीं हूँ,
मेरा पेट है।
मेरा पेट है ये।
So, which Gen Z word describes you best?
Drippy।
Yo,
check out
you drip. Cats or dogs?
Cats।
चाय या कॉफी?
चाय।
Eight.
Yo, that fit 8
and left no crumbs.
Left no crumbs.
How is it working with Kapil Sharma?
It was a great experience. बहुत मजा आया.
Really?
Yeah. उनको पाकिस्तानी ड्रामे और इंडस्ट्री वगैरह बहुत पसंद है. ये बहुत अजीब टेक्सचर है.
Girls Only की team is extremely creative today, guys. Round of applause for the team.
Clapping.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to another fun episode of Sunsilk Presents Girls Only. यहाँ हम बात करते हैं अपनी inspiring stories की and खेलते हैं fun games and challenges. So, come join me in this journey of uplifting each other and embracing our own true unique selves. आज के शो पे fun तो काफी होगा, but I also want to talk about self-confidence and independence. Sunsilk supports women in fulfilling their dreams. अब आप मुझसे पूछेंगे कि हाँ Sunsilk कैसे आ गया? मैं बताती हूँ। जिंदगी में काफी सारे ऐसे टाइम्स आते हैं जहाँ पे हमें समझ नहीं आता कि हमने बालों के साथ क्या करना है, ना टाइम होता है और ना वो बाल बनाने के लिए टूल्स। मैंने काफी सारी गर्ल्स को देखा है हैक्स यूज करते हुए, और मैंने हमेशा ये सोचा है कि इन हैक्स के लिए भी आपके बाल घने और मजबूत होना बहुत जरूरी है। That's where Sunsilk comes in. Sunsilk makes your hair thicker and longer so that you can fulfill all of your dreams with full self-confidence. और इसी बात से क्यों लेते हुए मैंने सोचा कि मैं आज एक मिथ ट्राई करती हूँ, और वो मिथ है सॉक बन। आई डोंट नो ये काम करेगा या आपको पता है कि नहीं। ये एक बन है जो सॉक की मदद से बनता है, लेकिन ये मैं अकेले नहीं कर सकती, सो आई हैव टू कॉल साइमा। साइमा, कम हेल्प मी आउट। हेलो, क्या हाल है?
बिल्कुल ठीक, आप बताएं।
मैं ठीक। मुझे ये बताओ, क्या हम सॉक की मदद से बन बना सकते हैं?
को बना सकते हैं, ट्राई।
ओके, लेट्स ट्राई। Is it working out or no?
I think हम ऐसे straight ही रखते हैं बाल जैसे हमारे थे, because it's not working out.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh guys, so the myth is busted. I mean, I'm sure बाल अच्छे लगेंगे, लेकिन उसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत चाहिए होगी और 2 लोग चाहिए होंगे और 4 हाथ चाहिए होंगे. So it's not efficient, but I'm sure it looks good if you put an extra effort. So I think myth busted. We will stay with my original hairstyle. Thank you so much, Saima. Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you.
अब हम चलते हैं हमारे गेस्ट की तरफ। हर एक्टर का ख्वाब होता है कि वो पूरी दुनिया में अपना टैलेंट मनवाए। हमारी जो आज की गेस्ट हैं, she has already done it. She is a Pakistani Canadian actress, और उन्होंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंटरनेशनली अपना नाम नहीं बनाया, but she has made her mark in Pakistan television. She has done incredible projects like हम दोनों and Namak Haram. I absolutely adore her for her talent. Let's welcome Anika Zulfikar. How are you, Anika?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. Anika, हमारी ऑडियंस आपके बारे में सब कुछ जानना चाहती है. Okay, let's start with how and when you started your acting career.
So, I started my acting career a very long time ago now.
Okay.
In high school. I was 16.
Ooh.
और मैं एक बहुत ही awkward सी, shy सी लड़की थी. And I was like, you know what? I want to try theater. I want to see if I can belong somewhere where people that don't belong go.
Oh, lovely.
And that's it. That was it. I fell in love.
Okay, so you started with theater at the age of 16.
That's right.
That's incredible. So Anika, I have heard that you have starred in a very interesting music project in Canada. Do you want to tell us something about that?
Are you talking about the Karan Aujla music video?
Mm-hmm.
So that was, I think, about like 2 or 3 years now, 3 years ago now.
Okay, so not far back.
No.
Okay.
But I think that was before Karan Aujla became as big as he is now.
Okay.
And it was a lot of fun. It felt like, you know, I went into work. The director, Rupan Bal, was a really good friend, who was now a really good friend. And it was just fun. It was collaborative. I was like, okay, how about we do this? How about we do that? And he was like, yeah, I love it. Let's do it.
Okay.
So it was a lot of fun.
Lovely. Yeah. So मुझे ये बताओ Anika, have you ever had like an oopsie while you're filming, like an embarrassing, awkward moment on set?
So my stomach growls a lot.
Okay.
I don't know if you've ever,
I know that.
You know, like,
I know.
घंटे जब बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, time बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, and you're like, oh, I'm hungry, and then you don't say anything, but your stomach
says it. Yeah.
I've had a lot of those.
Oh no. Yeah. Sometimes when it's completely silent and your stomach decides to just speak up.
बस हाँ.
मुझे खाना चाहिए.
अभी इसी वक्त में, I'm so sorry.
And then you have to explain to everyone कि ये मेरा पेट मुझे बोल रहा है.
मैं नहीं हूँ.
मेरा पेट है.
मेरा पेट है ये.
Okay, that's very interesting. Okay, so because you have worked in Canada और आपका transition Canadian industry से पाकिस्तानी industry में हुआ है, so how has the transformation been like for you?
I would actually say that I've been very lucky. I think मेरे लिए adjust करना इतना मुश्किल नहीं था जितना काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोगों के लिए होता है. I've been welcomed with open arms, and yeah, I think I actually do enjoy working here better.
You do?
Yeah, I know. People are like, अच्छा नहीं, usually बाहर लोगों को काम करना पसंद होता है, but there's just something very real about working here.
Oh,
even though hours long होते हैं, as you know, and it's like chaos, but it really does feel like you're part of something greater.
Okay, I love that. Okay, so the first time you saw yourself on television, how did you feel?
काफ़ी emotional था. But in a good way. I was like, wow, like that's actually me. And then it was like, why do I look like that? You know what I mean? It's like, oh, I sound like that. I look like that. But it really is magical.
Yeah. And did that make you hyper analyze yourself?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
With the pride came also the insecurities of like, अच्छा मेरी नाक ऐसी क्यों लग रही है, मेरी jawline क्यों नहीं नजर आ रही, all this stuff. I'm like, I look weird from that angle. But I think that's all part of being an actor and also being a woman. Because we're made to like
hyper-analyzed all the time. Yeah, but that's also the screen. That's also the kind of work it is. It's so up close. You get to see every expression. एक muscle move होते हुए नजर आता है.
And there's also beauty in that. Right? It's like you see yourself in a light that maybe you never saw before in like a mirror, and you're like, there's something beautiful about experiencing that.
Okay guys, let's take a healthy break with my Lipton green tea. Guys, today I've chosen the pure classic flavor. ये मैंने खुद बनाई है. Try करके देखते हैं कैसी है. It is so refreshing. This is exactly what I needed. Guys, Lipton green tea is your perfect companion for an active and healthy lifestyle. You know, it has flavonoids, which means it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So if you have 2 cups of this every day, it's like you're having green vegetables. ये मेरा पहला कप है दिन का और दूसरा कप मैं रात को लूँगी. Because 2 cups every day for a healthy living. Okay, मेरी तो break हो गई. I feel super refreshed. Anika, how do you take care of your health and fitness?
I try कि मैं पानी ज़्यादा पीऊँ.
Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated, girl. उसके अलावा कोशिश ही रहती है कि ज़्यादातर हेल्थी खाना खाया जाए, फ्राइड खाने अनफॉर्चुनेटली अवॉइड करने पड़ते हैं।
Guys, that brings us to our next segment, which is called the plushie segment. अच्छा अनिका, मैं आपको कुछ नाम बताऊंगी और आपने प्लशी के थ्रू रिएक्ट करके मुझे बताना है कि आपको उन लोगों का कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है या कुछ रूम फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट है.
ओके,
ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो. यमुना जैदी, सनम मोदी, हिना अल्ताफ, एना आसिफ, लाइबा खुरम, किंजा हाशमी,
ऑफ कोर्स,
मेहरबानो. Okay, so all pink happy plushies, huh?
look at it, so cute.
I
So happy.
know. Okay, guys. So this brings us to our next segment, which is probably my favorite segment. इस segment से पता चलेगा कि अनिका की Gen Z lingo कितनी up to date है. Let me explain this segment a little bit, yeah? I'm going to say a few Gen Z words, and you have to tell me what they mean.
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay. Dope.
Cool. Good.
Good job. Fam.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Lit.
Cool.
Anika, lit means happening. Like
cool happening. Like एक ही चीज़
0.5.
है. Okay, move on.
Flex.
Flex. मेरे हाथ में अभी कोई चीज़ है नहीं flex होने वाली, लेकिन Rolex होती है flex. हाँ.
To show off, basically.
Show off. Yeah.
Okay, good job. BRB.
Be right back.
8.
Yo, that fit 8.
And left no crumbs.
Left no crumbs.
Good job. Okay. Sus.
Suspicious.
And drippy.
Drippy. Like वही मतलब 8 के साथ साथ होता है वो.
मतलब basically, so yes,
हाँ,
but
मतलब
0.5.
नहीं मैं explain कर रही थी. ड्रिपी का मतलब ये होता है कि मतलब जब किसी का आउटफिट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होता है, it's a very drippy outfit.
There you
like
go.
your outfit
Okay,
right now.
Great. Okay, guys. So this is however many questions there were, that out of 10, you got everything right except the
0.5.
0.5 मैंने ले लिया अपने लिए, ठीक है? Okay, Anika, incredible job done. Your Gen Z lingo is super up to date, guys. Okay, so I have some questions. What is happening? Okay. So, which Gen Z word describes you best?
Drippy.
Drippy.
Yo, check
Yeah,
out the
you're
drip.
dripping
Come
right
on.
now. Okay. So, what's the most main character thing you've ever done in your life?
Main character thing. Oh my god. I don't know अगर मुझे ये चीज़ reveal करनी चाहिए या नहीं.
Please give us some gossip.
I snuck out of my house. Got on a
Is
bus.
auntie watching this?
हाँ, she knows. मामा को पता है. I'm sorry,
Okay,
मामा.
we're good, we're fine.
लेकिन हाँ, मैं अपने घर से निकली एक दिन और मैं सोचा मैं बस में चली जाती हूँ. And I got on a bus to New York. And I went to New York for a week.
For a week.
For a week.
Out of nowhere.
I don't know why.
Wow, that is definitely the most main character thing I've ever heard.
बस हो गया. Like literally गाने बजे थे मेरे दिमाग में. नहीं, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा और. And I was like,
And
that's
the
it.
girl just left
New
on a
York.
bus to New York.
Yeah.
Wow, that's genuinely a main character
It was
moment.
a fun
Lovely.
time.
Okay.
Yeah.
कोई एक ऐसा costume from one of your past roles that you really want to bring back into your wardrobe?
कौन सा costume? अच्छा, मैंने कनाडा में एक थिएटर प्ले किया था जिसमें सबकॉन्शियस दिमाग की जो फिगमेंट्स होती हैं उसमें से मैंने सबकॉन्शियस का रोल किया था. और उसके अंदर मैं एक वाइट स्कर्ट पहनी थी. बहुत ही कूल सा गॉथिक सा आउटफिट था एंड I'd want to wear something like that again.
Okay, very nice.
Thank you.
Now we will move on to a quick rapid fire round and we're going to ask Anika some questions and you have to answer super quickly. Okay, Anika, are you ready?
Yes,
Answer quickly.
I'll try.
Question number 1. What is one trend that you really cringe at?
वो जो कुछ महीने पहले था so beautiful, so charming. I'm just like अच्छा वो अच्छा था शुरू में, but then everyone started doing it and then I was like no.
थोड़ा overdue जब हो जाता है then I understand.
That's
Okay.
so 6 months ago.
Okay. Next question. What is one thing you wish you could live without but cannot?
Fried food.
Fried food. Oh, guilty pleasure. Okay. Morning person, night owl, or just confused by time?
Tino, confused by time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Confused by time? The strangest thing you've ever panic bought online at 3 a.m.
बहुत सारी चीजें. My Amazon subscription was a real pain.
कोई एक ऐसी चीज़ जो आपने पैनिक बाय की हो 3 बजे एंड यूर लाइक ये सुबह उठ के कि ये मैंने क्या किया है और ये मैंने क्यों किया है?
I got this like weird curler thing जो कि चलता भी नहीं है and in the moment I thought it's a good thing मैंने खरीद लिया और कभी यूज़ नहीं किया.
There you go.
Yeah.
First thing you did after wrapping up your first acting project?
Cried, tears of joy, very emotional, extremely emotional person.
Cats or dogs?
Cats,
चाय या कॉफी?
chai.
Okay. So I want to know कि जब आपने अपने आप को पहली दफ़ा टीवी स्क्रीन पे देखा क्या फील हुआ?
बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल था मेरे लिए. I feel like एक तरह से खुशी थी कि finally I get to see myself as an actor जो कि मेरा ख्वाब था बचपन से. फिर उसके साथ साथ एक थोड़ी सी इनसिक्योरिटी भी आने लगी कि मैं ऐसी क्यों लग रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए एंड ये करना है वो करना है.
Did you start hyper analyzing yourself after seeing yourself on screen?
a lot. लेकिन आई थिंक उसके साथ एक खूबसूरती भी है कि हम आईने में खुद को ऐसे नहीं देखते जिस तरह हम स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं कि अच्छा मैं जब खुश होती हूँ तो मैं ऐसी लगती हूँ, मैं जब
हर बारीक इमोशन आपको इतने इंट्रिकेसी से नजर आता है. It's a completely different perspective on yourself.
It is. And you know, when you get past the hyper analyzing, it's beautiful to see a human just being a human.
Yeah, portraying that kind of raw emotion.
Raw emotion.
Okay, so with your acting process, when you started acting, do you take inspiration from something, someone, or a particular scene maybe?
Do you mean like other pieces of work or like my own?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I am a very big fan of Sajal Ali.
Oh, who
And
isn't?
I know.
She's
it's
incredible.
So amazing.
Yeah.
और उनको स्क्रीन पे देख के ये एहसास होता है कि what actual rawness is. कि आप बगैर किसी चीज़ के बारे में सोचे हुए you're just in the scene, you're there, you're grounded, you're there in that moment. आपके साथ set वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है.
Everything just
It's
dissolves
you.
around you.
कि
Yeah.
It's just you and your scene partner and later on the audience that's witnessing this thing.
Yeah.
तो I think उनका सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे लिए inspiring जो role था, it was I think Momina and Alif. As an actor, I don't know if you've seen that, but you have, right?
Yeah.
And it's just the journey of an actor, an actress who's trying to दुनिया से लड़कर अपनी family के लिए वो कुछ करना चाह रही है. And it just melts my heart.
Sweet. Have you ever worked with her on any of
No.
your projects?
No, but I hope to.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's pray that you...
Manifesting.
Let's
make it
manifest
happen.
for Anika. I've heard that you've done a lot of cross-border collaborations with very known artists. How is it working with Kapil Sharma?
It was a great experience. बहुत मज़ा आया. काफ़ी challenging भी था क्योंकि I was his assistant for the film he was doing at the Toronto International Film Festival.
That's so interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
और मैं कभी भी पहले किसी की assistant नहीं रह चुकी थी.
So first time.
हाँ, you know वो है ना Devil Wears Prada.
Yeah.
It was kind of like that, but Kapil was nice.
Oh, that's
हाँ,
so sweet.
he was so sweet. He was so grounded, down to earth. Actually, उनको पाकिस्तानी ड्रामे और इंडस्ट्री वगैरह बहुत पसंद है.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very nice to know. How did you spend your first paycheck और आपकी family का reaction क्या था उस पे?
पैसे spend करने पर या paycheck पर?
पैसे spend करने पर और जहाँ पैसे spend किए उस पर?
पहला paycheck. I think मैंने probably sushi खाई होगी बहुत सारी और इस पे उन्होंने कहा होगा कि ज़ायरस ने यही करना था.
Soul sisters. Soul sisters.
Sushi. Soul sisters.
Okay. और family का reaction था कि जाहिर है
जाहिर है obviously यही करना है.
अच्छा. So अनिका कोई ऐसा upcoming project है जिसके बारे में आप audience से share करना चाहती हैं?
मेरा एक ड्रामा आने वाला है called खून बहा.
खून बहा.
खून बहा.
That is an interesting
खून
name.
बहा. It means blood money.
Ooh, so intense लग रही है story.
Intense.
Okay. And tell us more about your character.
My character's name is Faryal.
Okay.
और वो एक कनाडा से आई हुई corporate lawyer है. And the interesting thing about her is that she also wears hijab.
Ooh,
which is very interesting. And जिस तरह से इस character को represent किया हुआ है वो stereotype से बिल्कुल अलग है. Usually जब religious characters को या जब हिजाबी कैरेक्टर्स को दिखाया जाता है उनको बहुत ज़्यादा
तो बहुत प्रीची तरीके से दिखाया जाता है, which is hard to digest for the audience.
कि मतलब हाँ आप जो हैं सिर्फ एक certain perspective देने आए यहाँ पे, लेकिन वो बाकी सारे कैरेक्टर्स को कहानी को चैलेंज करती है कि ये इस घर में क्या हो रहा है, what's happening.
Okay, so guys, we have to look out for the character Faryal in Khoon Baha in Anika's upcoming project. I'm super excited. Okay, Anika, मुझे अपने acting process के through थोड़ा सा लेकर जाएं. कोई ऐसा character, कोई actor, कोई specific scene जिससे आप inspiration draw करती हैं?
I think first and foremost मेरे process में ये होता है कि ये जो character है मैं इसको खुद में कैसे तलाश करूँ. ये हर कैरेक्टर में कुछ एस्पेक्ट मेरे अपने भी होते हैं, लेकिन उसके अलावा आई थिंक आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट एंड लुक अप टू सजल अली. Specifically, I know, me too. Specifically her work in the drama Alif, where she plays an actress who's trying to come up, and I think that was, watching that was like an eye opener for me. It was very relatable, and I was like, I want to have the impact that she has on screen.
So she has that raw energy that really penetrates right into your heart.
It's so real, right? It's like,
yeah. So have you got the chance to work with her yet?
No, not yet, but I'm manifesting.
Okay, let's manifest for Anika. What's your go-to excuse for not going to an event, but you still want to look like you're busy?
अगर मैं अभी आपको ये बता दूँगी, मैं फिर से कैसे यूज़ करूँगी इसे?
Anika, please, you have to tell the girls only viewers.
Fine, just for the girls only viewers. शूट बहुत देर तक जारी है, जाने की इजाजत नहीं है.
इवेंट हो रहा है शूट पे.
इवेंट सीन्स है, सॉरी
लेट तक जाएगा.
सुबह 6 बजे तक शूट कर रहे हैं.
Oh, that is also my go-to excuse, but I didn't say that.
You've used that with me before.
खैर चले, बातें तो काफी हो गई हैं. एंड हमें बहुत जेन्युइनली बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, एंड हमने काफ़ी सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन डिग अप भी कर लिया है. बट नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर सम गेम्स, सो लेट्स गो प्ले सम गेम्स.
ऑलराइट.
Okay guys, so on to our next game segment. So the game here basically is that we have a box here. Anika cannot see what's inside. All she can do is वो एक हाथ से या दूसरे हाथ से फील करके बता सकती है कि क्या है, but she cannot see what's inside the box, but I can.
Okay. आगे मुझे कुछ
नहीं, nothing.
Okay, done. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, do I go?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. Anika, just be careful.
Is it?
क्या? नहीं, नीचे जाओ, नीचे जाओ.
Is it living?
I can't tell you. You have to guess. नीचे जाओ.
Sorry. अभी मैंने कहा था मैं नहीं करती.
Did you hurt your hand?
Yes. कोई बात नहीं. ये स्लाइम है.
Yeah, नहीं, हाँ, क्या है? दिखाऊं?
अगर कोई जानदार चीज भी ना
दिखाऊं? अरे अल्लाह.
अबे यार.
अच्छा, इसीलिए इतना जोर से छलांग मार की.
नहीं, मुझे वो
Guys, it's a centipede, but fake.
दिखा. ये देखें.
Please. Oh no. Okay, keep it away from me.
I think it makes it pretty accessible. I think it's pretty.
2 types of people. Oh my God. Anika, I'm serious. I will kill you. Okay. On to product number 2.
चल वापस.
Okay, so on to thing number 2.
Is this better or worse?
I can't say anything, Anika. You have to see for yourself.
इसमें levels है या क्या scene है? Because that wasn't bad.
जाओ. What do you think it is?
Slime.
नहीं.
Sticky.
हाँ.
मुझे क्या है? Fluffy क्यों है ये?
Fluffy और sticky क्यों है?
ये टिश्यू है.
Wow. Anika, you are so smart.
ये टिश्यू है.
Guys, we have a smart cookie on set today.
Sticky. अच्छा ये अजीब, बहुत अजीब टेक्सचर है.
डरा रही हो.
तुम क्यों डर रही हो? तुम्हें पता है इसे क्या है?
हाँ, मुझे पता है, तो मैं क्यों डर रही हूँ. उठा क्यों रही हो?
पेस्ट्री है.
छोड़ दो, गंदा है.
पेस्ट्रीज है ये.
कुछ गंदा से. I don't know what it is. It's so गंदा. छोड़ दो.
खाने को गंदा
मैं
नहीं
दिखाऊं?
कहते, अगर अच्छा हो मैं खा लूंगी।
खाना नहीं है
What
अनीका।
is it?
तो छोड़ो से दिखाऊंगी ना। अब ये क्या है मुझे बताओ। Guess. What is this? Can you tell?
Let me smell this. Do I want to smell this?
Peanut butter.
Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, okay.
Butter.
I like peanut butter.
Peanut butter on tissue.
I was right about the tissue.
It's a delicacy, guys. Peanut butter on tissues.
ये
You
भी
must
है?
try.
ये क्या है?
ये क्या है? Is that a ping pong ball with peanut butter on it?
Why was I screaming so
Girls
much?
Only की team is extremely creative today, guys. Round of applause for the team.
Clapping.
Okay, product number 3. Product number 3. Let's find out and see.
Okay, I'm gonna try to not scream this. ठीक है? For your sake.
और अगर मैंने चीख मार दी फिर? Wow, Anika, you did not react.
हाँ, मेरी priorities थोड़ी अजीब सी हैं.
How did you not react to that?
It's prickly. ये cactus है.
मैं तो break down हो जाता. Yes, it is a oh my god, guys. It is a cactus. And how did you not react to that? Oh, that's crazy.
I would make a really deep, sad remark, but this is not the occasion for it.
My life has scarred me far beyond this
Compare with the cactus. दोस्त हैं हमारे, क्या कह सकते हैं?
Good job. Okay. Okay, guys, so this brings us to the end of this amazing episode. Thank you so much, Anika, for blessing us with your beautiful energy on this set. We had so much fun together, and I'm sure our audience loved you.
Thank you.
It was lovely having you.
Thank you so much.
Alright, guys, so if you have any feedback on our episode, please let us know. And I will see you on another episode, another fun episode of Sunset Presents Girls Only.